Now this is Miles's first year leading the Blades. He was originally a Harrier pilot in the RAF and also a qualified weapons instructor. So here they come from opposite ends and rolling as they come towards each other. Notice the crispness of those manoeuvres. Rolling 180 degrees at a time and then pushing up. He's on the underside of that. -3, -5 G there, the blood rushing to his head. And he gets over the right way up at the top and then starts a series of flick rolls on the way down. The aircraft is actually out of control there. But he brings it back into control in exactly the right place at the right time.
In andere woorden, so it's always under control. De pilot heeft altijd controle, dames en heren. Het is niet dat de merkers out of control is. Hij weet wel degelijk wat hij doet. De flick rolls zijn er altijd een gecontroleerd manoeuvre.
And there was his lock-shaback at the top of that, which means probably that it's time for the rest of the aircraft. Watch now as they come back in front of us for crazy flying. This is the most extraordinary formation. Crazy go, he says. Look at this, one upside down, flying sideways, flying sideways. It all looks crazy. Watch for them rolling through 90 degrees, there they go, and then as they go over the top. That's Miles calling the brake. Blades, and then Blade 3's job to fly directly at Blade 2, and Blade 2's job is to miss him. This is the double cross. Now as they pull away into the distance, no, not quite yet, they're going to cross each other on the far side of the airfield, there they go, they've missed each other again. Good record so far. In a knife-edge spin. Getting the thing into the spin. The spin is developed and there's the aeroplane tumbling end over end. Look at that. He's the newest member of the team. His Cutty joined last year in February. After a year on the wing, he's taken this prestigious role of Blade 4. He's now doing what it can only be described as a flicky, snappy, rolly thing. This is the centrifuge. And he flies out of it into a knife. Absolutely crazy. Round of applause will be required for the Blades.
Gewoon adembenemend, dames en heren. Ik denk dat ik er weinig woorden kon tussen krijgen. Sean kent dit programma nagenoeg van buiten. Heeft dus gangens dat display hier gecommentarieerd. Maar ik denk, gezien, dat is niet de eerste keer dat hij dat doet hier met dit team, deze Blades. Adembenemend ook, zowel de close formation, dus de gesloten formaties, als alle andere manoeuvres die allemaal gesynchroniseerd werden uitgevoerd. De Blades, wanneer dat ook dan is straks tijdens de landing kunt u natuurlijk uw programmaboekjes en patches gebruiken om de mensen natuurlijk uw appreciatie toe te werpen. Dus dit tijdens de landing